Phenomena.
Hey!
Hey, Jimmy.
Just practicing my kazoo stuff a little bit.
I see that.
When a kazoo sneezes, what do you say?
Bless you.
Gesundheit. Grapes.
Hey, Jimmy.
Hey, Aaron, what's going on today, man?
Well, now I'm just sitting here wondering why Muppets had such large and open eyes. Do you know?
No,
I suppose if I had a hand shoved up my ass, I'd have large and open eyes too.
Oh my.
Phenomena.